Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina and today I'm going to try the flip and drag technique. I have never tried it before. I've seen a couple of clips of it here and there, and I decided that I should try that and see what comes up and see how the paint reacts. And I thought that would be interesting now that I have a multitude of colors since I went shopping last weekend. And yeah, I think that will be interesting on this size of canvas. If it works nicely, I can probably do it on a much bigger canvas, and I think that will be very interesting. Okay, so I mixed my paints the usual way. Those are all heavy body paints. I mixed them equal parts paint and medium, 1 part to 1 part, and then I add 25% water to the mix. I did something special for the white. The white is a fluid acrylic, but I also mixed the white. It's two kind of white mixed together. I got some titanium white pigments that I mixed with a little bit of alcohol to get it in suspension and break the clumps. And then I added pouring medium, the GAC 800, to make a white paint, a white fluid paint actually. And to that, after the titanium white was mixed and an actual paint, I added zinc white, and then I did 50-50 with medium, the zinc white and the medium. So I have titanium white and zinc white mixed. I hope that way I will keep the heaviness of the zinc white, but also get the opacity of the titanium white. And I didn't put any water in that. The only thing is a little bit of alcohol to get the pigments suspended and separated. But alcohol evaporates quite quickly, and I've let the paint rest for about half an hour now. And it's the first one I mixed, so it had plenty of time to evaporate the alcohol. Other than that, the flip and drag I think will be interesting, and I will get started with that. Okay, so I will mix my paints in the order that I want my paints to appear on the canvas. I want somewhat of a gradient, so I will start by the Ultramarine Violet. After that, it's the Cobalt blue hue. After that, I think that's permanent green. I will write all the colors I've used in the description as usual. After the green, it's primary yellow. After that, it's Cadmium red-orange, or orange-red, not sure. I'll write it down in the description. It's a hue anyway. And finally, primary red. And now I will do a flip cup. Give the cup here and pour white all around. cat hair. They are everywhere. So now I'll just tilt a little bit, spread the white around. Try to get an even coat. And the flip and drag is when you just drag around. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. I sure enjoyed seeing all the colors settle and play together on the canvas. It's very, very pretty. It's like an explosion of color. Here, it's so pretty. It's smooth, very smooth, and there's a lot of cells all around. I'm running out of paint in the middle. I needed a lot more white. That's what I learned today. We always learn as we go, so today I learned that I needed more white, probably less color as well, so it's going to be I'll have to try it again for sure, because it's very beautiful. So here there's not much colors. I kind of tilted the canvas to get the colors more centered, not just in one corner, because I lifted the cup a bit too early. I should have kept dragging, but I didn't. Once again, I didn't have enough white, so not sure what the result would have been if I kept dragging. I love the cells in this area here. Super pretty. Well mixed in the colors with the white. Love the ribbon of green around here. Super pretty. I love the lines here. Those lines will happen because very often, not very often, because of the layer I create in the glass, and it's not mixed, and when I pour them on the canvas, they create lines, and I just love that. I love here, just a little bit of color popping through. It's lovely. Here as well. It's really like it starts from here and explodes that way. It's very lovely. There's a bunch of colors here in the middle, and it's kind of concentrated in details, while the more you go to the right, the less details there are. Here, nice cells. I had a bunch of cells on that side, but it flowed off the canvas, but I still have some here. So it's kind of cool. I enjoyed that. Nice lines in the red. This will dry much darker, by the way. This is pink now, but it will dry more reddish. The orange underneath, the blue. And here it's some nice colors and transparency. We can see the layers. The blue on top, there's yellow, and there's orange, and there's the red under. A little tiny cell here, some lacing here. Very pretty. Overall, nice painting. Even though it didn't happen like I expected it, I kind of made it work in my own way by tilting the canvas to bring the colors to that side. It feels like it's a start of an explosion and then it exploded. So I really like that. Couldn't get any better than this, really. I will try this again with more white on my canvas, a lot more white, and probably a lot less colors. Probably the same color combination, just less of them. And I am very happy with the result, really. I couldn't be happier. In the end, happy little accident, guys. Alright, so this was interesting. I've learned some things and I'm quite happy about that. I love how the paint reacted together on this painting. It's very pretty, very colorful. Never get enough of all the colors, and I will definitely try this again, probably in the next video, and we'll see how I can make it work. And also, I've been using a new lens. Well, I used new for me. We bought it from someone else, and let me know in the comment. Do you prefer that lens or the old lens I've been using for only this video? The old videos is my old lens that I've used regularly, but this video is a new lens for me. It's a new style. We were trying something, husband and I, and yeah, let me know if you like it. Let me know in the comments. I will read that for sure, and we'll take your opinions into consideration for sure, because I make those videos for you. So that's about it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!